Hi everyone, welcome back to Bimklue Revit tutorial. Today we will continue to explore more into the precast function of Revit in our part 2 of the video here. Okay, so now we start with clicking the precast panel over here. So in the previous video you have learned how to create all these precast panel from the structural wall, right? So if you still don't know yet, we can go back to the previous video, then you can see the process flow. Okay, so come to here. When you click on the precast panel here, so you explore in the precast tab over here. Okay, click on this precast tab. You learn how to split the precast panel and then the reinforcement, and then how about when we want to add a door over here? Okay, let's try to add a door. Shortcut key for door is DR. Okay, we add a door over here, this panel here. Okay, wait Revit for do a little bit loading. Then here we add a door. Then next we try to add the rebars over the precast panel here. So let's see what's going on. Click on this reinforcement. Then you do some modification, like a selection of the rebars, like T10 rebars. Okay, then everything we just leave it like this. Then you click OK, then you click OK, then the bars are added. Okay, so you can see it will automatically cut through the rebars for you. Okay, then the next thing is, how about the MEP services? So let's try to add some MEP services by going to the System tab over here. Then you click on the electrical devices. Let's try to add some socket outlets over here. Let's see whether we can capture it into the precast panel later. Okay, so click on here. Okay, so we added the component, so-called the component for the precast panel. Okay, just click on this precast panel again. Then you try to go to the tab and you click on mounting parts. Okay, click on mounting parts. Okay, Revit automatically detected there are 4 elements to 1 assemblies added into the precast panel, which is the 4 elements. Of course, they are the socket outlets that I've added just now. Okay, click on OK. Then the next thing is go to the shop drawings, then see how Revit can create the drawings for you for this precast panel. Okay, select this panel, go to the precast tab, then we click on this shop drawings. Okay, just wait a couple of seconds. Then easily Revit created a solid wall part list for you, which is showing you all the details of the precast panels. Okay, then the solid wall sheet, which is the drawings that you required. Okay, so of course from here you can add some dimension for your panels, right? Then all the details are listed down over here. Okay, so we have volume of the concrete, then the rebars detail, and then the part list, which is the ELV, the power supply, which is a socket. 4 numbers all are added here, and then the joints. All these are the component of the part list over here. Okay, so we have the plan view, section view, and 3D view like this. So from here you can actually send to the manufacturer. We added some dimension if you want. Then subsequently they can produce a precast panel with all the precast concealed MEP services inside here. Then from the estimated weight, you can arrange the transportation and then send to the site for the assembly purpose. Okay, so that's how wonderful the function of the precast panel. Okay, and easy to use. Then of course, during the previous video, you have learned how to adjust the width, how to separate the panels, so you can play around with this tool when you have free time. Okay, so I guess that's all for this session. Thanks for joining.